Hello, welcome to this update for Europe. So we have this big winter storm coming to parts of Central Europe and the Alps, and much colder air coming in with it. So let's see what's happening. So this is the GFS model, shows there arrives some snow parts of Norway and Sweden, and shows like Monday, tomorrow, alright, a little bit of snow traversing Germany and like northern Czechia and Poland that goes there. It shows that bigger low pressure diving down into Ireland in the UK with some snow there Monday night into Tuesday. It shows the GFS is showing still northern Germany, southern Denmark on Tuesday, more snow. And then it dives the bigger system on Tuesday night, Wednesday, with heavier snow in the Alps, like Tuesday night into Wednesday. And it's turned the other low pressure, like in the Baltic Sea near Estonia and Latvia, more snow like in Lithuania to Estonia, or like Wednesday shows some in Belarus and Russia too, and more snow in Sweden from this showing more snow on Wednesday in Sweden. This goes in the GFS as a field of snow all the way from Sweden down to Bosnia in southeastern Europe. So it does have like Wednesday some rain and snow throughout like Western Ukraine, parts of Slovenia, Romania, Serbia, Bosnia, and all the way into Russia there has more snow. So this is a very dynamic situation. We do have here uh, that colder air diving down into Europe in the purple. So this is like first Wednesday shows that cold air much of Central Europe and like Norway and like the British Isles and some areas, but after that on Friday it brings this cold air even further south into the Mediterranean and some areas there that then takes it into southeastern Europe, so much below average temperatures, and brings some slightly above average later. There's the European model too, like Reading brings this cold air down on Tuesday, Wednesday, shows those below average temperatures much of Central Europe and into Eastern Europe later. And yeah, so be aware. And here, and after that, the GFS is another system entering France on like Thursday the 21st and slamming the Alps in southern Germany with like a lot of snow on the 21st and more snow into eastern, southeastern Europe on the 22nd and 23rd there. Showing more Germany too and like Poland, some snow as well. The GFS is this new low pressure system like the 24th, some snow in Norway and Sweden, more rain in the UK and northern Spain, France and some areas. So yeah, be aware. The European model is very similar but maybe a bit different. So it does have those snow showers like Germany and Czechia there tomorrow, Monday, the 18th. So be aware, some snow showers there. Southern Poland and into Ukraine, some snow showers too. Then the European does have that system, like Ireland and the UK, more rain on Monday, especially in Ireland, and then has some snow Northern Ireland and Central UK, Monday night into Tuesday, so be aware. Goes into Germany there, and more snow Northern Germany, Poland. Shows Tuesday into Wednesdays, more snow in like Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia into southern Finland. So more snow Wednesday into Thursday in the Baltics in those areas. Then the European does have this system entering France on Wednesday into Thursday, with more snow southern France, the Pyrenees, and later that big snow in the Alps there, like Thursday into Friday. But before that, on Wednesday, the European already has some heavy snow there in the Alps on the 20th on Wednesday. Then it has the cold front moving all the way into southeastern Europe. So shows those snow showers there Monday, Tuesday, but it has this like snow on Wednesday the 20th around like Bosnia and northern Montenegro into Serbia and some areas there. It has the cold front still moving, maybe a storm or two in Greece and Albania, more rain there. It shows more rain parts of Ukraine and snow in Romania to and into Bulgaria, so rain and snow on Thursday, and then the Europeans this crazy surge of snow on like the 22nd on Friday, from, all the way from Slovenia to Moldova. So this will be on Friday. This goes. The Europeans still show some heavy snow parts of Serbia and Montenegro and Bosnia, all the way into Romania, Ukraine and Belarus, into Russia. Then the system moves into Russia there. It shows more snow central northern Turkey on Sunday and Saturday, the 24th, some storms and snow in Turkey. Then this moves east. So, a very dynamic situation. And the European does show that snow Monday and Tuesday in Northern Ireland and the UK, so BR central UK there, so some snow and rain. This goes shows more like Tuesday and Wednesday, that heavier snow in the Alps, Tuesday night and Wednesday. Switzerland, Northern Italy and France, be aware there, shows more like some snow showers northern Scotland and some areas. Then Wednesday still shows some snow in Germany, Poland, especially like as it goes to northeastern Europe. Still shows some lingering snow showers like Wednesday to Thursday, but then there will be this system on Thursday in France, shows more rain and snow into central France there. This is the 21st, shows more snow there like Switzerland and Italy and France. And yeah, the European has now this big low pressure system Saturday the 23rd across the UK. This will bring some very high winds and snowfall and heavy rain. So, but many times the European shows this and it happens very differently. So we're still some ways out from that. But let's see. There's like the ARPAGE model. It does show those snow showers in northern Czechia, in eastern Germany, central Germany, tomorrow Monday. And alright, some snow showers in the Alps, like Monday the 18th shows snow shower to western Ukraine and Slovenia, Slovakia actually, Slovakia, and does show southern Poland a snow shower to Ukraine there. And then shows like Monday, later Monday, the system goes into Ireland with more rain there, starts throwing some snow in the central part of the UK, central southern part and northern part, some snow showers late on Monday night, tomorrow into Tuesday. So be aware the snow. This goes into France and Germany especially, and Netherlands shows more snow into the Netherlands and northern Germany on Tuesday the 19th. The front dives down there, alright, some snow in the Alps on Tuesday, but later Tuesday night to Wednesday shows that heavier snow in the Alps, especially during the night, shows especially Switzerland, France and Italy and southern Germany with some heavier snow, so be careful there. It shows that system snow in Poland, into Lithuania and Latvia, and more rain behind it in those areas, and some more snow in Estonia and southern Finland as this goes there. So BR the snow there too. And the ARPAGE also has more snow for like Bosnia, Montenegro, Serbia, and like on the 20th and Thursday and 21st shows more snow in Romania, Moldova, Ukraine on the 21st, and more like Macedonia, Bulgaria especially, more snow on the 21st, some storms in Greece and Turkey there, and then the snow throughout Ukraine and northern Turkey later. So BOR, and then there'll be that system to France. This model specifically is showing some snow, even like southern UK near London on the 21st, and near northern France as well, but showing more snow eastern France in the Alps on Thursdays. This new system goes into France, showing some heavy snow there in the Alps on Thursday. This goes into like Germany, Switzerland and Austria, some heavier snow there. So be aware. From like Tuesday to Friday, especially like Wednesday, Tuesday night, Wednesday, and Thursday into Fridays, some heavier snow in those areas. There's the icon too, shows those snow showers in the Alps tonight and Monday, in central Germany into Czechia and Slovakia and Poland and Ukraine tomorrow Monday. It has that snow Northern Ireland and rain there, and the snow central UK there on Monday night tomorrow. The icons also the snow southern Denmark and northern Germany especially, even some other parts of Denmark, and southern Sweden late Tuesday into Wednesday. Has a lot of snow through Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia. On like Wednesday, the 20th, goes into Finland, some heavier snow in Finland after that. Shows more there into northern Poland and those areas, more snow. Then it has the front diving down to the Alps, more rain to central France, and shows more snow in the Alps, some heavier snow there in the Alps on Tuesday night. Alright, into Wednesday, some more snow there. The icon also has more snow in Bosnia, northern Croatia, Slovenia, and like into Serbia, Kosovo, especially Romania and Bulgaria later in some areas. And that front of rain and snow in Ukraine on the 21st, and more rain there. So beware, some parts of northern Turkey, some rain, maybe a snow or two. And then the icon has this system entering France on the 21st on Thursday. More snow throughout France and rain. Has some heavier snow in the Alps from this into Germany and like Czechia, especially Slovakia and Hungary on Friday the 22nd. And the icon also has some heavy snow northern Bosnia and Croatia on the 22nd, more into like Romania and Ukraine. So be aware in those areas. So most models are showing this, and it will probably be like this. So be aware. There's this high resolution model that only goes until Tuesday, shows those snow showers in the Alps tonight already, and like Germany and Czechia tomorrow, and already shows that snow central southern UK there, Northern Ireland, late Monday night tomorrow, into Germany and the Netherlands, some areas Tuesday, even the French Alps. So be aware, those areas. There's like, yeah, here. So this is the European model. So until Sunday, the 24th, this is precipitation. It does have some higher accumulations near like Montenegro and Albania. They're near Croatia, some heavy rain. It has more throughout France, the UK, more rain from the system. Only until Friday has some more in Italy, southeastern Europe. But if you put this until Sunday, shows even heavier like near the Adriatic Sea. But yeah, be aware those areas. Now here, so does show now it's like this, shows lower pressures near Turkey and near the Atlantic. Because of those systems there are some storms, but around Tuesday and Wednesday dives that big low pressure there into Central Europe that will bring the cold air down, and shows there like into the Baltics the big low pressure system there. So yeah, be aware those areas. Let's just see the GFS if it has a similar thing or not. So it does have like Monday, Tuesday, it's taking a little while, but it does have Wednesday that very big low pressure just off of Sweden with more rain and snow there that cold air down, and it does have like Friday the lower pressures all the way to the Mediterranean. And the GFS also has around next Monday, the 25th, some lower pressures in the UK there, but not as strong as the European had. So yeah, be aware in those areas. Now, in terms of wind, the models are a little bit different, but the European model already shows some stronger winds in the seas near like Norway and northern Poland and some seas there. And this is Monday, shows occasionally higher gusts in Czechia or Germany, but nothing that crazy in the Mediterranean. And then this is Tuesday, already shows the system to France there in Germany with some higher gusts, especially like the southwestern UK, showing more than 80 km per gust. Some spots of Corsica and Sardinia, a little bit gustier. Then this goes there. Shows Wednesday the system in the Alps, more than 70 and 80 km per gust throughout Switzerland and all the way down to like southern France and Italy, northwestern Italy there in the Alps, close to 90 km per gust. And it has some strong gusts like central southern France as well. It's like in Corsica, some higher gusts on Wednesday, central Italy those mountains of central Italy there. So be aware in Croatia, Bosnia, the show through Norway, through Czechia and Poland, some higher gusts. So this goes Wednesday, shows some high winds in Corsica and Italy, especially the Europeans, like 106 km/h gusts. So it's very strong with this. This might not be this strong, but it will be kind of strong. So shows in Sardinia and Italy some higher gusts, right? In Montenegro and Albania, some higher gusts there, and also part or two of eastern Spain shows a higher gust on Wednesday night. Then this goes still strong near southern Italy, like the new system approaching France on Thursday, a little bit stronger gusts near that front, like in northern Turkey, Bulgaria, and Ukraine. There, slightly gustier. Then this is Thursday. This goes there. The European sun some higher gusts northern Turkey, some areas there. It does have on Thursday this system entering France there, some very high gusts close to 80 to 100 km/h gusts. Western France into northern Spain has a bunch of high gusts. Northern Spain, some 83, 70 km/h gusts, and also in eastern Spain. So be aware. And then this Thursday, the system goes there, showing high winds all throughout the Mediterranean there. And so be aware of the bigger waves and everything. Shows the mountains of Italy close to 100 km/h gusts. Those mountains shows in Montenegro and like northern Albania, very high there, Bosnia, and those areas, so be aware. And also showing more from eastern Spain and northern Spain, some higher gusts on Friday. So be aware, this goes, the European still has this big wind in the Mediterranean, like on the 22nd. We are near the coasts of Spain and Italy, and southern France, showing very high gusts in Italy, Corsica and Sardinia. We are in southern France, shows there like in northern Albania, Montenegro. The Europeans close to 100 km/h gusts there. All the way to Bulgaria, the Black Sea, and Ukraine. This goes on Friday. The European still has some pretty high gusts near western Turkey and Greece and Bulgaria, like on the 23rd Saturday, and it still has some high gusts Sunday, the 24th, near southern Turkey and some areas there, and the rest is too far out. But does have France the system Thursday and Friday, but the European has still this bigger system on Saturday the 23rd, close to 110 km/h gusts in Ireland and the UK. I'm still not sure this will happen, because like the GFS shows some higher gusts southern UK and northern France and Belgium on Saturday, but it doesn't show that big of a system. The icon shows more like the European shoe, close to like 111 km/h gust on the 23rd in Ireland and southern UK there. So we'll monitor this, but still some uncertainty. And like with these systems, northeastern Europe shows Tuesday. The system developing there in Poland, some higher gusts like southern Germany, France. On Tuesday, I think I showed you this, northern Czechia. Then this goes there, shows some higher gusts in the Baltics, like Wednesday, especially in the ocean there, but like western Russia, some air shows all the way to 85 km/h gusts, northern Poland, Lithuania, and those areas. Then this goes, still some strong winds near Latvia and near southern Finland, some higher gusts, and some parts of Estonia and Russia, but very high gusts in the ocean there, near Sweden and Finland. So be aware, this goes still shows high gusts on later on Thursday in Estonia and Latvia, Lithuania, so be aware there in Sweden. Then this goes shows Finland, some higher gusts through northwestern Russia and Finland on Thursday. This goes there, still maybe a higher gust or two in the bodies of water there on Friday and near Estonia and some areas. So be aware, but it has on Friday the big system coming off Europe there into Russia, some higher gusts there too. So be aware those areas. And now for the most important thing, like the snowfall. So the European until Tuesday morning, it has some showers of snow Germany, a little bit of snow around in the Alps, has like central Germany, a snow or two in the Netherlands, has more snow the central UK from Monday night there, some 9-10 centimeters, northern Ireland, has some snow right in northern Poland there, southern Sweden and north and central Denmark, some areas of Denmark. So yeah, and it has already some snow central southern Norway, some 24 centimeters, a finger two in northern Norway, and Finland there. So this is until Tuesday morning. Shows some snow in Slovakia there, Ukraine. Now, now until Wednesday night, already shows more snow in Germany, some 20 centimeters, Netherlands, Belgium, and almost 18 to 20 centimeters in the UK. And shows a lot in the Alps, already, so like 60 centimeters and like 40 centimeters, some 20 centimeters more now still Switzerland, so beware in the Alps in terms of like if there's wind and snow, beware of blowing snow. And already shows Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, and Bosnia, some snow there by Wednesday. Romania, Ukraine, a little bit of snow there. And like Poland and those areas more snow into Latvia, Estonia, some 14 centimeters, Lithuania 16 centimeters, Belgium. So BOR shows northern Scotland, the UK some more snow too, some 34 centimeters, and some islands there, the Faroe Islands and Iceland, northern Iceland shows more snow. Central Sweden, northwestern Sweden shows more snow, in Norway. So be aware, this is until Wednesday night, but if I put this until Saturday, it already increases a lot in the Alps because of the system on Thursday. So like 100 centimeters of, of snow in the next 5.5 days, shows like some 95 centimeters, some 40 centimeters in Austria. And the Europeans, this crazy snow like in Bosnia, Croatia, Romania, Northern Macedonia, Northern Albania, Kosovo, Serbia. So be aware of that snow there. Hungary, especially southern Hungary, shows in the Pyrenees. There'll be some snow from this as well. In Andorra, some 11 centimeters. France and Spain there, some 23 centimeters. So some snow there too. It shows in central Italy in those mountains some snow. In Corsica, finger two there. So yeah, BOR in Turkey shows eastern Turkey, central Turkey, even western Turkey, especially in the mountains. And the UK already shows snow most of the UK, like northern UK, central UK, except the south, but shows more snow throughout Ireland, Northern Ireland too, some spots there. So BOR. Now the GFS shows those crazy amounts in the Alps. The GFS is all the way to 147 centimeters. That's more than the European across France and Switzerland and northwestern Italy. So be aware. Has some snow central Italy too in the Pyrenees. The GFS also did snow like Bosnia, Herzegovina, Slovenia, and Croatia, more in Serbia, Macedonia, Montenegro. So there'll be a lot of snow southeastern Europe too, Romania, into Ukraine. Shows more most of Hungary, Slovenia there throughout the next 5 days, and more in the UK shows northern UK and central UK and Northern Ireland there. So yeah, be aware. There's the icon too until Saturday, shows more in Bosnia and Croatia, especially in the north and the mountains. Kosovo, Serbia shows more than 29 centimeters, 54 centimeters. Bulgaria, some snow there too. Romania shows more snow northern Hungary and western Ukraine, most of Slovenia, Slovakia, and into Austria there. And the icons, some crazy amounts in the Alps too, all the way to 146 centimeters, 147, 48, more in Switzerland. So BOR has some in the Pyrenees too. So BR, now back to the European for Northeastern Europe, it's like Lithuania, some 44 centimeters, Latvia, 23 until Saturday, 21 in Estonia, 32 centimeters, and more there. Russia shows more in Finland, some 31 centimeters, 35, depends on where you're at, but shows more throughout Sweden, northwestern Sweden more, some spots in northern Norway and south central Norway, and northern Poland shows more snow into some parts of Denmark and Germany there, the Netherlands and some areas, so be aware. Now the GFS, let's see until the 25th. Yeah, not much difference, but the European until the 25th. Yeah, so be aware there. Now the icon for Northeastern Europe does show the snow there in Estonia, 19 centimeters, Lithuania some 35, Latvia, so be aware, and like shows in southern Sweden, some more snow, and northern eastern Sweden, where that system will be strongest, 58 centimeters, some odd areas. So be aware. Central UK shows the snow there too, so be aware in those areas. And if you are like in the mountains, since it's already almost winter and snowing a lot in some mountains, be aware of like always in avalanche dangers and those type of mountain hazards. There are some links in the description to see some warnings on that. And here there's this higher resolution model for the snow in the Alps. So this is the next 5 days. It does show this model has all the way to 150 centimeters the next 5 days in parts of the eastern French Alps. In the Swiss Alps, 100 centimeters, 70 centimeters, has some like 15 to 50 centimeters in Austria, close to 175 centimeters in eastern Austria. That's like 80 centimeters or something, the light pink. But those very dark pink and purple in France, almost to 150 or something. So be aware there of the snow. And like there are not areas here for the Pyrenees the next 5 days. Shows also that snow there in France and Spain and Andorra, especially in the French side there the next 5 days. So yeah, be aware of that snow. And the rainfall accumulation does show some heavy rain, like the European until Friday, almost 200 millimeters in northern Albania, because there'll be a mix of rain and snow, so it's hard to distinguish here where's rain, where's snow. But there will be like a mix of rain and snow and everything. So, but northern Albania and Montenegro has the chance of some heavy rain there. Be careful with the flood threat if it rains heavily. Greece, some storms in Greece, and southern Turkey still some heavier storms. Western Turkey shows a lot of rain generally throughout UK, France. Now the GFS shows, because for example all this orange there in the Alps, all that is snow. So let's see, but it also shows rain to southeastern Europe, most of those west side of Greece, not much on the east side, but western Turkey too. Northern Spain and Portugal shows more rain, like the icon shows more rain to northern Spain, close to 56 millimeters and more there. Sorry if I said centimeters, this is millimeters. And shows more there along the coast of the Netherlands and other areas. So there'll be rain from these like northeastern Europe and everything. So here's like there's the map of precipitation type, shows the snow and the rain, shows the rain like wet snow, rain with snow in the green, like the central UK Monday and Tuesday, some rain with snow in Germany, but central Germany is mainly rain on Tuesday, shows the snow in the Alps there, the rain with snow in like the Baltics there, and shows there into southeastern Europe the rain and snow, and the system later there like in the Alps with more rain and snow. There's the European too. The European already shows some pink spots of freezing rain, so there's always that potential, right, between the rain and the snow, some little freezing rain possible. And yeah, it shows that bigger snow next Saturday in Eastern Europe there, and more stuff later. So be aware, in Northern Europe, those bands of rain and snow, Finland, later Sweden, and the system later on Wednesday there. So yeah, be aware, even some freezing rain to Russia. So stay safe from this system. Shows more like those very cold temperatures coming down with the system. So -2 already tonight in Hungary, -4 in Romania, cold in the Alps there too. So be aware. Most of northern UK is a -3, -2, and the north it's very cold there in Norway and Sweden, -1 to -4 in Finland, -10 in some mountains of Norway, and then we move this along for Monday. A little bit less cold in the day, but shows still cold Tuesday morning there across like Germany, some 2 degrees, Poland, -1, depends on where you're at. So with the higher elevations, much colder there. Central northern UK, some spots on Northern Ireland, so 1-0 degrees. Norway is really like some -14 in the mountains. Finland, very cold too, in Estonia. This goes shows like that mass of cold air coming down Wednesday. So some 0 degrees, -1, -2 in Denmark. Those -5 in the Alps. 1 degree, -2 in Ireland. So yeah, be aware. If you go higher in the atmosphere here, you see like that purple mass of cold air coming down. So here you see like Wednesday night into Thursday morning shows very cold. There's like -20, -23 in Switzerland, in the Alps, some -14, -13 in other parts of northern Italy and France. In Austria, some -9 shows much of Luxembourg, France, -1, -2, some western France, southern France, a little bit higher temperatures, but shows some 0 degrees, eastern France and other areas. Most of the UK under 0, -2, except right on the southwestern coast or some coastal areas. Cold in Ireland, too, all the way to -3 in a spot or two. Like Norway there, all the way to -21 in the mountains. Sweden, very cold across Sweden and Finland and those areas there, so be aware. The cold temperatures extending all the way east to Slovakia, Ukraine, some -5, Poland, Germany, Denmark, Serbia, so there, Bosnia, Herzegovina, those colder temperatures, Croatia, most of Slovenia, and other areas there. This is Thursday, this goes, like Friday morning, still shows those cold temperatures there. A big area of France into like the Alps, some -14, even less in the Alps. Some Poland, some -4, Germany, and Czechia, most of the UK there, except some coastal areas, especially in the Netherlands, so like 2 along the coast, but Luxembourg and Belgium, some -1, -2, and yeah, the Pyrenees shows some like -1, 0 degrees, even northern Spain on Friday, and then this goes there. Maybe colder to southeastern Europe on Sunday the 24th, shows some colder temperatures there. So be aware in those areas, but this might change. This is just a model, and each model has a different vision. So like the GFS also shows those colder temperatures there, but it's a little bit different than the European. And the icon shows like those cold temperatures, especially in the Alps, -19, -20. And the icon doesn't show much southeastern Europe, later show more like Eastern Europe. But yeah, that's far out. And shows more like Sweden, Norway, very cold there. In Iceland, of course, especially in the high elevations, very cold. So be aware of those temperatures, and there are the wind chills as well, like the feels like temperatures that will be even colder than the actual temperature. So if it's like -2 with a bunch of wind and stuff, it might feel like -5 or something. So be aware of the wind chills too, and even frost in some areas there, in plants and everything. So be aware of the system. Be careful with the snow, the colder temperatures and everything, and we'll make more updates as this unfolds.